In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable clipboard history on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and on the right side, you want to scroll down and locate clipboard, cut and copy history, sync and clear. And then if you want to enable or disable clipboard history, you can toggle this option on or off at the top, and that's what you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.